Now we're here, and we're bowling, and you know, we're not trolling.
Yeah.
And we're gonna hit the pins, and what are the pins?
What?
We're the best. Better than the rest.
There's so much spit in my mask.
We're on the talent show, and you already know. Word.
Won districts twice and then qualified for regionals. And for singles, I went to regionals 3 times and I qualified for state.
I've also been to regionals 3 times and qualified for state twice.
I smash my fingers all the time while bowling. I have a video of me literally falling on the lane forward.
My friend was in a boot because she hit her ankle 3 times.
I saw a guy break his femur.
I'm really good at Wii Bowling.
I'm better at Wii Bowling. Guys, please don't fight.
What are you saying? What's your experience?
I'm also a Wii bowler.
Oh. They told us that the bowling ball like chooses us.
We all chose the same ball.
The ball chose the same us. I think this is my thing. I think we're gonna find my thing this episode.
Because I think it's my thing.
It could be.
I think it's not gonna be my thing.
I think the hardest part for me is gonna be watching Sam.
Why? What about you, Korey? I'm pregnant. Oh, he's pregnant.
You know whenever you take the Wii mode and you like have to line it up? Aren't there like turkeys in bowling?
Yeah.
What does that mean? What about 3 spares? Is that like a chicken? So funny.
So who wants to go first?
Cool guy's going first.
Cool guy. Okay. So you're gonna stand right there on that second dot. Second dot. You're gonna approach your right foot. So left foot. And then right foot. And then left foot. And you are only gonna take 4 steps. So you gotta make them big.
Think of it as like a tempo.
It's like a dance move.
Yeah.
But don't forget about your ball though.
That's the cool guy.
You know what cool guy.
What do I do now that I'm here?
You gotta start the ball.
You have to start the ball on your first step.
Okay, so now clear this.
Okay, so you get the rest?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God. Baby Sammy in the building.
Did you hear what we said?
I think I understand.
Okay, well you gotta stand up there
Over
first.
there.
All right, I'm gonna give it a try.
Alright.
Oh.
Yes. Move the ball.
Dog walk.
Now we're gonna talk about follow through.
Try to reach up.
And like
just
answer
think
a
about
phone.
reaching up.
Think of your answering a phone.
Oh, I didn't
I need an example. How do I do that?
Think of answering a phone. Answer that phone. No. Look, you see that fourth arrow in the middle? Look at that.
Okay. Oh! Answer the phone, answer the phone!
You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, you hit the finger. Victory.
Your technique is better.
Yes.
You have the best technique out of all of them.
Of course he does. Of course he does. I'm gonna chip the bowling ball in.
Thank you. Oh wait, it was a strike.
I feel like I've discovered like my thing. I don't know.
I did it.
So since yours is on a
Trick shot! Trick shot, baby!
Let's knock it up. No! Wait, never mind. I'm so powerful.
I was gonna say like this, right?
I won!
No.
They're slacking. I'm gonna carry the team.
Oh, I'm calling something. Hey guys, that wasn't as good as I thought it might be.
What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to aim towards the. You do this, yeah, okay, you aim right and you hit. And the lights on, hit the middle one, this side, this way, this side, and you aim here. No, you're gonna stand over here, this side, right? And you're gonna aim towards that side. Then you aim and you go, boom, and you aim, otherwise, and you're just gonna point as hard as Korey. I'm telling you, you go this way, right? You're gonna wanna, okay, alright, got it? Keep going. That would have worked. I'm gonna throw it at that side, it's gonna ricochet, and it's gonna hit that one.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And this is what the professionals do.
Yes.
I think so.
Korey? Sam, is that you? It is me. I got the strike. Alright, who's gonna call her?
Korey's the best out of all of us. He just needs a little, what's that called? Motivation. You won't get it.
Bounce. Oh no!
Okay, new strategy. I'm no longer going to try to inspire Korey with words of harmfulness. You got this, Sam! He doesn't got it. This is like the episode of Sweet Life and Zack and Cody where, what's the
I
guy?
have to stop talking about Zack and
The
Cody.
dude, where Marvin has to win the love of Ellie. And then she gives him a kiss on the cheek. We did it! Yes! We won. Don't look at this. Don't look at the score. That's 10-8. Who's there?
It's me, baby.
What are you calling it? Tell me.
Good job. You did it. I'm also in the call as well. I paid like $24 for a large lemonade and fries.
Well, you said you got loaded fries. That's on you. you?
It was great. I actually had a very good time. Sam wasn't bad.
I had a good time too. It's the first talk show episode I've ever had fun. Korey got fries and lemonade. Spent a lot of money on it. We didn't. I kind of want to though.
Don't.
It takes so much more skill than I originally anticipated.
Don't ever give up. Give up. I'm gonna go get my fries.
This is in tryouts are in October. See, you missed it. Come back next year. Next October.
You missed it.
You missed it, man. Come on.
Just that. You missed it.